What if I told you your bank is doing a kind of magic with your money? What if I told you your bank does not actually have all the money you see in your account? Today, we're going to tell a story about a jungle, thousands of monkeys, and the biggest secret of their banking system. In this video, you will learn three important things. How banks really make money. How banks do not print new money, but actually create it. And what happens if all monkeys ask for their money at the same time? Let's begin. In this jungle, monkeys use special leaves as money. Instead of keeping these leaves at home, monkeys put them in a strong and trusted bank. The bank tells the monkeys, your leaves are safe here. And on top of that, we will give you a small extra reward. Sounds great, right? But here is the real question. If the bank keeps your money safe and also pays you extra, how does the bank make money? This is where most people get confused. The bank does not lock all your leaves in a vault and forget about them. If 100 monkeys deposit a total of 100,000 leaves, the bank knows one simple truth. Not all monkeys will come back at the same time to take their money. So the bank keeps only a small part of those leaves as a safety reserve. Let's say 10,000 leaves. The remaining 80,000 or 90,000 leaves are loaned out to other monkeys who want to build homes or start businesses. This is how the bank earns money. It pays a low interest to the monkeys who deposit leaves and charges a higher interest to the monkeys who borrow leaves. Now comes the real magic. When the bank gives a loan of 80,000 leaves, it simply adds numbers to the borrower's account. The original deposits are still there, and now new money appears through loans. This system is called Fractional Reserve Banking. Banks do not create money by printing it. They create money through lending. This is the heartbeat of the modern economy. Now, let's talk about the biggest risk. What happens if one day all monkeys panic and ask for all their leaves at the same time? This is called a bank run. No regular bank has enough physical money to pay everyone at once because most of it has been loaned out. If this happens, the bank can collapse, and the entire jungle is in danger. This is where the central bank enters the story. The Jungle Council. The central bank acts as a last rescue. It temporarily provides leaves to banks to stop the system from collapsing. But this creates another problem. If the central bank adds too many leaves too easily, monkeys suddenly have more money to spend. But bananas are still limited. When too many buyers chase too few bananas, prices go up. This is called inflation. So the system lives in a delicate balance. Too strict, and the economy slows down. Too loose, and inflation rises. Final thought. A banking system is not just a safe locker for money. It is a powerful engine that controls the speed of the jungle's economy and the value of everything inside it. Next time you check your bank balance, remember this. You are not just storing money. You are part of the biggest financial magic, running the entire system. If you enjoyed this video, tell us in the comments what economic secret you want to learn next. Like, share, and subscribe.